Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Subaru XV, stock reference number 3794. The shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the fourth month 2017. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right and left hand front. We have the radiator grille, power door mirror, left hand side, indicator type. Left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left rear has an ball tyre. Left tail light, red lens type. Tailgate appears to have no damage, complete with with camera. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good ball tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Factory roof rail supplied with all bolts and caps. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Climate control dual zone heater controls. Factory sat nav touchscreen. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp sunroof type. Left sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.